everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to LGS. Guess what's coming on Friday? The Lion King. Hakuna Matata, everybody. Hakuna Matata means no worries for the rest of your days. Anyway, my nephew, his birthday's today. He was born in 1992, which is the year that I graduated from high school. Happy birthday, my Jonathan. His name is Jonathan, but I call him Jake. I've called him Jake since the day he was born because of Jake Ryan in 16 Candles, which was my all-time favorite movie. Oh my God, I had a huge crush. Lipstick, yep. Huge crush on Jake Ryan. Do you guys remember 16 Candles? Like, thumbs up this video if you had a huge crush on Jake Ryan, whose real name was Christoph Michelson or Michael Christophson, something like that. Was that? I knew his name. This is my second time making this video because I keep on getting interrupted. Ugh. Anyways, for those of you who are wondering, I started to do a review today on this eyeshadow palette that we got in a Slade Glam box from Rasha B Cosmetics. And the wingnut I am, I forgot to delete my old video, so I ran out of time. But I just want to say, I am going to do a review on this tomorrow. I'm going to wear it all day and let you know what I think of it. But I just want to say, I did not touch a brown, and I did not touch a gold. There's purple, and there's pink, and there's peach, and there's yellow. So just so you all know, I didn't touch a brown or a champagne color in this palette. Yeah, so, you know, just because I don't wear blues doesn't mean y'all can't wear blues. Just saying. Blues look crappy on me. But I do wear other colors. But I like a champagne color. Anyway, I'm getting into this box now. And this is my second time. Oh, I gotta tell you what happened when I get into it. So, Topbox, everybody. It's finally here. Should have had it yesterday, but, you know, I don't know what happened. Topbox is $12 a month Canadian with tax. It's around $14. I'm in Ontario, and I believe every province got to pay the tax. We all had to pay tax here, so it's roughly around $14. I chose a regular box. At the end of every month, around the 26th, 27th, they're going to send you an email asking you if you want to switch out your regular box for a Pride box. Now, you're not guaranteed you're going to get that Pride box, just an FYI. Just because you say you're going to want one does not mean you're going to get it, because I know some people were upset that they didn't get a Pride box, but you're never guaranteed you're going to get a Pride box. This month they had some good Pride boxes. They had Fenty concealer, they had Lancome stuff, I don't know, some body lotion, some face masks, something like that. There's usually between 6 and 8 different options, okay? I chose a regular box. They did not have a $10 add-on this month. Hopefully next month they will. Last month they did, and I got the Drunk Elephant. I think it was the moisturizer or the serum, one of it, for the $10 add-on. So it's like every other month they will have a $10 add-on. So make sure when you get that email, and after you pick, you know, a Pride box or you want to stick with the regular box, do not shut it down. When you submit that in, let it go to the next page, because that's going to open up then and ask you if you want a $10 add-on. And if you get that email, you know, 8, 10, usually it comes in at nighttime, you want to get on that email right away, because those add-ons, they sell out so freaking fast. Okay, we're going to get into my box. My box is box number 14, and I'm going to show you right down on the bottom here. It's going to say reference number. You're going to see TB14 right here. That's where you're going to find your box number. When you get an email, a tracking email, which you usually don't get until Canada Post has your box, if you have the Canada Post app. Take your tracking number, go into Canada Post tracking, put it in there, scroll down, and under reference number, again, it's going to say TB and your box number. And if you're getting a Pride, it'll just say TBPR, I think. All right, and a beauty surprise would be BSTB or TBBS. I think the BS is before the TB. I don't know. Hakuna Matata. It's a secret word, everybody. Don't forget, Hakuna Matata is a secret word. That's number 3. That's number 3. Okay, we're getting into this box. I'm going to shut up now. Okay, so they send you like this big old box with all these chummy diggers in it. And a little card. there's a little card saying, hey, beautiful, your top box is here. We hope you enjoy this month's box. We are diving right into summer with our must-have beauty products of the season. La, 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 la. I'm going to leave my link down below, but this box scares me every month because unless you know you're getting a Prive, and if you are going to get that Prive, you're going to get the box before we get the regular boxes, and you will get an email in between like the first week of the month. You'll get an email letting you know that you got a Prive box, okay? This box is 50-50. You don't know what you're going to get. Every variation is different. Sometimes there's like 25, 28 variations. You don't know. So you're gambling with your $14. You know, one month is going to be great. Next month is going to be crap. You don't know. You know, it's a gamble. All right, first thing in this box is this peeling pad. What is this? Easy to use and super peeling pad with various fruit oils. Okay, so you remove your makeup. Gently rub the white cotton pad on the side of your dry face in circular motion. So it's just a makeup wipe. I don't think you can reuse it. It's a makeup wipe. All right. Right? That's all it is. Use the embossed mint color side to focus on nose and chin. Rinse with lukewarm water. You got glow. Okay, we'll give it a try. Next thing in this box, let me tell you. It's the Clarins, and I already have this. I already got this in a top box last year. Clarins Paris Instant Light Lip Oil Comfort. I know I either got this in a top box last year or it was in a top box collective box. I have to go back and look at my videos. And like I said, this is my second time trying to open this box. But when I opened this the first time, this long flipping hair came out of it. Honest to goodness, a long flipping hair. So yeah, there you go. That's the first thing in this box. You always get 4 items. You're never guaranteed to get full size or deluxe sizes. So we got that. And then we also got this, which again, we got in a box last year. Again, I don't know if it was Top Box Collective or if it was a top box, but I'm going to go back and look at my videos. But I know I already have one of these. It's in my drawer. And I already have one of these. It's right there looking at me. And this is Douce Lip Stain. And I mean, seriously, in this peachy color, I'm not even going to open it, you know? Luscious Lip Stain Douce. And again, we got this in a box last year. I know we did, because I have one in my drawer. Okay. The saving grace in this box is... Why does it not come with a box, though? I got the Kate Somerville, and I don't understand why it doesn't come with a box. Kate Somerville Dermal Quench Liquid Lift Plus Retinol Advanced Resurfacing Treatment. And shake bottle well. Use this button to dispense small amount onto fingertips and massage into skin. Avoid contact with your eyes. Retinol is naturally yellow in color. So I looked at Sephora because I seen that another woman had gotten one of these in a box. And some people got the Benefit Goof Proof pencil in their box. Some people got this tattoo balm or something after you get a tattoo. Some people got some lotion. I'm very happy to get this because, you know, like I said, I already know that these are repeats from last year. You never know what you're going to get with Top Box. You never know, and a lot of people get upset. And I know there are going to be a lot of people upset because on Sephora, this is $130 Canadian. And I think somebody else got the exact same items in their box except for they got, I think, the tattoo balm, which is $14.99 at Shoppers. So I'm very happy to get this. I think they're, you know, they must know that I got the wrinkles and the crow's feet. Very, very happy to get this. Like, you know, I can, you know, I'll use a Clarins. I use this. I will not use this. But again, I have to look and see if it's a repeat from last year or if it was in a Top Box Collective. If you guys know, please let me know if it was a repeat and from what month last year or if it was a Top Box Collective box. But I do know that we did get it. But this is, holy crap. This is $130 at Sephora, and I paid $14 for this box. And again, I don't understand why some people get other things and some people get, you know, this, right? It's a great box. You know, this alone makes me happy. If I had to get the tattoo cream and not this and these other items, I would have been like, okay, this is just crap. But this makes up for it a lot. I just, you know, don't understand why it can't be fair. It should be fair. It really should be fair. You know, Topbox, if you're watching, you got to make it fair. You really do. But don't stop sending me the good stuff, you know? But you got to make it fair. So I'm thankful, loving this anyways, guys. That's what's in my box, the Kate Somerville Dermal Quench Liquid Lift plus Retinol. Then we have this Douce Peachy thing, which I'll probably give to Madison. I think I gave her the last one, actually. The Clarins Lip Oil, which I do use. I have mine from last year, so maybe I can throw that out and restart this one. But again, when I opened it, there was this big, long, bloody hair that came out of it. So I don't know, maybe I won't use it. And we have a makeup wipe. That's pretty much what it sounds like to me it is. So don't forget, everyone, about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway video. And my giveaway, we're trying to get to 1,000. I might put that into the box. I might. I'm going to read up on it and see. But that's like straight on retinol. And look at these crow's feet. They need the straight on retinol. So I don't know. I might not. I'm not sure. But anyways, we got a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to leave that link right here somewhere. Please don't forget to share it, you know, tag on social media and tag new people, not members of our Facebook page or that you know are on this page already. Tag new people. And my live is going to be, is that next Friday? Yes, next Friday, July 26th at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm coming up with a contest for the Slay Glam box that we won on Instagram. So I'm going to let you all know on my live June 26th about that contest and how you can win that Slay Glam bag mystery box. And that's everything. That's it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Love you. Hakuna Matata.